Why did it take so long for TomTom to get to the Slovenian market?
It's a question of the fact that we was not ready with the latest technology and especially with the best quality in terms of map. That's the reason why we wait so much in order to enter in the market. Now we think is the right moment. We have the best map, we have the best traffic service, and we think that we can provide to all the users of Slovenian market the best technologies in the market.
How different would you say is the Slovenian market from the region or from the world?
I think from some criteria it's really similar to the other market. The most important for us, I think it should be to transfer to the end user what are the real benefit to use these products. Because as I told you in the past, the image of the P&D was related to the gadget, like a gadget, and now we really need to explain why they need to use and which are the benefits that they can get to use the P&D.
You said your products are connected to a worldwide range. Which data are you gathering? Is there any personal data from the users or isn't that so?
Yeah, that's a good question because it's really important that we are aligned with the rules and the privacy rule. But when you buy a TomTom, we clearly ask to the user if he wants to participate and share his data with our data. So the data are only used on pure technical analysis, and from our side, if we receive this contribution, we will be able to give to him or to the rest of the community all the results of all the analysis that we are making. So for the user, there is the advantage that if he would like to contribute to the analysis of the data, he can get many fresh information related to the map or to the content.
What would you say, which are the key innovations of your navigation systems?
I think the key innovations are based on the 4 pillars, which are best map, the best traffic solution, the best technologies inside the products, and the best software. That's are the 4 pillars of our products.
Since the Galileo project is now launching the new global positioning system, do you have any plans for it today or will you wait until it develops further?
I think at the moment we are in a position to wait what will be the real effect about the new platform. At the moment we are working on different platforms in order to leverage all the capacity of the market. So let's say that the answer is we are waiting to see what will be the impact.
How will the cars be, in your opinion, connected in the future?
The future is everything on connected device, which means in a few words a SIM integrated in the device. Because the reality is that we really need to get the information in the real time. And for information, I mean global information, which is related to the traffic, for example, but is also related to the private life, like restaurant, hotel, or something that could really be interested for the end user. So we think that the most important for the future is to bringing innovation and information in real time related to content and service. And that's the area where the company, where TomTom is focused.
3D navigation or a real object navigation like we see in, for example, Google Street. What is the right answer for the future?
The right answer, I think, is first to be in the condition that the driver can, the user can drive safely. So that's very important. For what concerns the capacity of the image and the digital map, I think it's important to give the basic instruction. We will not surprise the end user with spatial effect. We want to give the clear instruction on what he needs and the clear contents about the service that we will provide. So I think it's more important to rely to release a reliable information and a reliable service, easy to use, than spatial effect or multimedia.